Hello students, welcome to Rohit Tutorials. In this video, we are going to cover the next practical of object-oriented programming lab. That is assignment number 7, template. Statement is implement a generic program using any collection class to count the number of elements in a collection that have a specific property such as even number, odd number, prime number, and palindrome. Here we are using the collection class as ArrayList. In this, we are going to create the ArrayList for string and ArrayList for integer. We are using the two basic functions, first for number operation and second for string operation. For number operation, we are going to perform even number, odd number, and prime number functionality. And for string operation, we are going to perform whether the string is palindrome or not. Let me go for practical implementation. Open the notepad, save as generic.java, save, close this, open the file inside our STS. Create a class generic, public class generic. Inside that main method is there. Inside main method we provide whether we are going to do string operation or number operation. So for that we are taking the choice from the user, scanner sc equal to new scanner, system.in. For this scanner we need to add import java.util. Write sout, choose type sout system.out.println. First operation is for string and the second is for integer. For string we are going to calculate whether the string is palindrome or not. For integer we are going to calculate whether number is even or odd or prime or not. Take the choice integer ch equal to sc dot nextInt. Take the value from the user, that is choice. If ch equal to 1, then we are going to perform string operation. So for string operation we are having the function string operation, else we will perform number operation. As we are directly calling the function with the help of function name, so make the function as a static. So first choice is string operation. Take one variable static int count equal to 0, initialize it to count how many string from the given collections are palindrome. So for that we have taken this count static void string operation, and second function is static void number operation. First we are going to perform string operation. For string operation we will create array list of string. In that we are going to add one by one string. So how many elements or how many strings we are going to add inside collection, for that we take one variable, suppose integer n, total number of elements, string word, create the array list of string, words equal to new array list. It will accept only string value. We are taking this n value from the user. For that we required scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in system.out.println, enter the number of elements, n equal to sc dot nextInt. After that system.out.println, enter one by one element. For that we are using the for loop. Integer I equal to 0, I is less than n, total number of elements you want to add inside the array list. Word equal to word is a string equal to sc dot next. And each and every word we are going to add inside array list, that is words. So for that function is words dot add. Array list function is there, add function. So one by one word we are going to add inside words. Words is nothing but the array list of string. So if suppose user gives enter the number of elements as a 3, so this for loop is iterate 3 times. So first word added into array list, second word added into array list, third word added into array list likewise. Next count equal to 0, again it initialize for loop string w words. It will access one by one word from this array list. Suppose 3 words are there, first word and check whether it is palindrome or not, second word check whether it is palindrome or not, and third word whether it is palindrome or not. For that we are using this for loop. It will go to check palindrome function, and we are passing each and every word one by one. Now write the definition for this check palindrome function. Static void check palindrome. It is accepting string, suppose string x. Check whether this x is palindrome or not. As we know that string doesn't consisting of reverse functionality. Reverse function is not available inside string. So we are going to convert x into a string builder. So string builder is there. String builder which is available in java.lang package s1 equal to new string builder, and we are passing this x value. So x is now converted into string builder, and we simply reverse it and check it with the help of x. If x is our string dot equals function, and we simply reverse this s1. So s1 dot reverse dot to string. So it will check whether reverse of this s1 is same as this x. That is, if we provide the value as aba, so firstly that aba is converted into string builder. After that we will reverse that s1, so it will again gives us aba and check x dot equals s1. If it is equal, then we can say that, so we write system.out.println x plus is a palindrome, and increase the count by 1. Else system.out.println x is not a palindrome. This is the simple string operation. Now we execute the code. cmd javac generic.java. Program compiles fine. Execute it. Choose type 1 for string operation. Enter the number of elements. Suppose 3. Enter elements. First is ABA. Second element is PQR. And third element is XYZ. From this only ABA is palindrome string. Press enter. ABA is palindrome, PQR is not a palindrome, XYZ is not a palindrome. Also we are going to calculate the count. For that, after this for loop, we will print system.out.println the number of palindrome is plus count. Now execute the code. First compile it. Javac generic.java. Program compiles fine. Execute it. String operation. Enter the number of elements. Suppose 3. First is ABA. Second is PQR. Third is XYZ. ABA is palindrome, PQR is not a palindrome, XYZ is not a palindrome. The number of palindrome is 1. Only ABA is palindrome string. So this is about string operation by using generic. Now perform second case. Go to main, else number operation. So for this number operation, integer element is there, total number of elements 1 by 1. Next n is the total number of elements you want to add inside array list, and choice for whether you are going to perform even, odd or prime or not operation. Again we require the scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in, taking the values from the user, total number of elements from the user. Create an array list for integer array list variable is nums equal to new array list. Next, system.out.println, enter the number of elements. N equal to sc dot next int. System.out.println, enter 1 by 1 element, enter elements. Again we are using the for loop for integer I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Elements equal to, only element is there, element equal to sc dot next int. 1 by 1 element we are taking from the user and add it inside array list. So for that, nums dot add element. So we have created the array list for number. Now we are going to perform two operations, whether it is even or odd, or check whether it is prime number or not. So for that, system.out.println, enter your choice. system.out.println 1 for odd or even, and second for prime or not. Take the choice from the user. Choice equal to sc dot next int. Next we have to iterate array list by using iterator. Suppose itr equal to nums dot iterator. Again count equal to 0. Use while loop by tracing one by one value from this array list. Itr dot has a next. If next element is available or element is available inside array list, then perform the operation. It will go to check function by considering the choice as a first parameter, whether you are performing odd or even or prime or not. For that the choice is there, and second is itr dot next. It will cast with integer. Itr. Now write this check function above this number operation. Static void check. It will take two parameter. First is choice and second is number. We are using the switch case. Here the choice is there. Case 1 for even odd operation by taking a parameter as x, break, and second is case 2 function is prime. Again it will take x as a parameter, break. After this we are going to write even odd function above this check function. Static void even underscore odd. It will take one parameter, integer, suppose x, and second function is static void prime. It will again take one variable, integer x, as a parameter. So for even odd, we check whether the number is even or not. X mod 2 equal to 0, then we say that number is even. X plus is even number and increment the count by 1. Else we say that x is odd number. This is we are considering for even odd. Now for prime number, we consider boolean variable flag and initialize it to false. For checking whether the number is prime or not, integer I equal to 2, I is less than x I plus plus. If x mod I equal to 0, then number is divisible by I value, and we say that that number is not a prime. Flag value is updated to true, break. If not a flag, system.out.println is a prime number, increment the count by 1, else we said that system.out.println x is not a prime number. After that, go to number function, number operation function. After this while loop, give the condition if choice equal to 1. Here we just calculate the count of even number or odd number and prime number or non-prime numbers. System.out.println the total even number is, we are considering as a count value, and the total odd number is equal to nums dot size minus count. Else same situation, copy this, paste it, total number of prime number is count and total number of non-prime number is nums dot size, total number of elements present inside array minus count, count consisting of here prime numbers, count consisting of here even numbers. Save it, execute the code, first compile it. Here we require the concatenation, here semicolon is missing, here plus concatenation is missing, here also concatenation is missing. Compile the code, compiles fine, execute the code. First string operation, total number of elements is 3. First element is ABA, second element is PQR, third element is XYZ. ABA is palindrome, PQR is non-palindrome, XYZ is not a palindrome. The number of palindrome is 1. Now perform the second operation, integer, enter the number of elements, suppose 3, enter elements 11, 12, 13, enter your choice, first is odd or even. 11 is odd number, 12 is even number, 13 is odd number. Total number of even number is 1, that is 12. Total odd number is 2, that is 11 and 13. Again execute the code, give the choice 2, enter the number of elements, suppose 3, same elements 11, 12, 13, enter your choice, prime or not, give the choice as a 2. So here 11 is a prime number, 12 is not prime number, 13 is a prime number. The total number of prime number is 2, that is 11 and 13, and total number of non-prime number is 1. So this is all about generic practical. Thank you.